Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to change Google Sheet name or how to rename your existing file using mobile. See, here is my first sheet sample 123. Second one is untitled spreadsheet. Just tap on this untitled spreadsheet. If you want to change the name of this spreadsheet, see at the top right corner here is a three dots. Just tap on these three dots and here untitled spreadsheet, first name is untitled spreadsheet. So just tap here and you can change the name. Here you can give the name blank 1 okay, and click on OK. So in this way you can save your file by using the name. Or if you want to change this name sample123, just tap it and open this file. Again click on the three dots and here you can change it. Suppose the name is now 23. Sonali 23. Okay. So just you can click on that dot and you can rename this file, or you can save the file with the specific name by using this option. Thank you.